Students of class 10th presenting a video on the topic Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. I hope you will enjoy the video. Agriculture is the science or practice of farming, cultivation of the soil. In the wider sense, agriculture comprises farming, animal rearing, fisheries and forestry. Agriculture is pride of Indian economy. India is essentially a land of farms and farmers. The Indian society is an agrarian society. Agriculture is indeed a way of life in India. It primarily makes use of the renewable resources land, soil, water, air, sunshine, livestock, etc. The Indian agriculture has made much progress after independence. The government has played a major role in lifting India from the subsistence level to a more vibrant self-sustaining level. It has been helping the farmers in increasing the agriculture production. Agriculture is called the mainstay of Indian economy for the following reasons. Nearly two-thirds of our total population live by agriculture. It remains the main source of employment. Nearly 80% of India's rural working population still get its living and employment from agriculture. Favorable topography and soil and climate are vital for agriculture activity. The land on which the crops are grown is known as arable land. Farming is practiced in various ways across the world. Depending upon the geographical condition, demand of produce, labor and level of technology.
The climate of Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. The climate of any place is dependent on various geographical factors. The state of Himachal Pradesh, India, is a hilly region and it experiences a pleasant climate throughout the year. It even experiences heavy snowfall during the winter months. There is a huge variation in the climatic conditions of Himachal Pradesh due to the variations in altitude. Kerala, being situated in the tropical zone, experiences a typical humid tropical climate. Meanwhile, its extreme eastern fringes experiences a drier tropical wet and dry climate. Kerala receives an average annual rainfall of 3,107 mm and also receives rain around 286 days in a year.
Topography of Kerala. Kerala is situated between the Arabian Sea to the west and the Western Ghats to the east. Kerala's coast runs some 580 km in length, while the state itself varies between 35 to 120 km in width. Geographically, Kerala roughly divides into three climatically distinct regions. These include the Eastern Highlands, Central Midlands, and the Western Lowlands. The topography consists of a hot and wet coastal plain, gradually rising in elevation to the high hills and mountains of Topography of Himachal Pradesh. Himachal Pradesh is predominantly a mountainous state located in the northwest India. The state has highly dissected mountain ranges interspersed with deep gorges and valleys. Himachal Pradesh with its complex geological structures present a complicated topography with intricate mosaic of mountain ranges, hills and valleys. Altitude ranges from 350 meters to 6,975 meters above sea level. The state is compact in shape and almost wholly mountains with altitude varying from 300 meters in plains to nearly 7,000 meters in central Himalayan range. Soil of Kerala. On the basis of morphological features and physiochemical properties, the soil of Kerala have been classified into red loam, laterite coastal alluvium, black soil, and forest loam. Soils of Himachal Pradesh. The major soil groups in the Himalayas are brown hill soil, submountain soils, mountain meadow soil, red loamy soil.
Language, culture, and festivals of Himachal Pradesh and Kerala. The North Indian state of Himachal Pradesh is a multi-regional, multicultural, as well as multilingual state as other Indian states. Their most commonly spoken languages are Hindi and Pahari language. They are well known for its handicrafts too. Their art forms are carpets, leather works, pashmina shawls, woodwork, painting, etc. The Nadi dance in Himachal Pradesh is very colorful and energetic. Kulu Dashera is the most celebrated festival in Himachal Pradesh. The culture of Kerala is a combination of both Indian and Dravidian culture. The main art culture have many art forms. There are Mohiniyattam, Kathakali, and martial arts of Karipet. Kerala have many festivals. The common and the main festivals of Kerala includes Onam, Vishu, Eid, and many more. The common and the official language of Kerala is Malayalam.
Analysis of variation in cultivation of crops from south to north. Kerala is heavily dependent on agriculture. Rice, coconut, pepper, cashew are some of the important crops grown in Kerala. Agriculture of Himachal Pradesh contributes nearly about 45% to the net state domestic product. Wheat, maize, rice and barley are some of the main cereals grown in the state.